back to my page. Now I want to try this super yummy seafood soup. Look at the color, look at the texture. Wow, you can find whatever here. The smell is amazing. But don't worry, if you're unable to get to a restaurant with your beloved ones, I'm here to teach you how to make it at home and enjoy with your beloved ones. Let's go! Hello everyone, welcome back to my page. Today we want to make seafood coconut soup together, which is so amazing and so delicious. Let's go. First of all, I put little bit butter to my bowl. Now I want to add fresh onion, which is so important. I'm adding fresh onion. You know what is so important in this soup is fresh ingredients. For example, fresh squid, calamari, snails, also shrimps. You should use all fresh ingredients. And also we have these scallops, which is so amazing. After mixing all these onions well, I'm using fresh garlic. After changing the color to the golden, I'm adding turmeric and black pepper with salt. You know, the benefits of turmeric will be activated with black pepper. You should always add black pepper with turmeric together. At this stage, I'm adding these snails. After adding our squid, we are adding scallop. Now it's time to add our squid. We mix all ingredients together with more black pepper to absorb the bad smell. Mixing well, shrimps, zest of lime. This is the mixture of lime juice and zest of lime. I'm adding everything and mix it well. The smell is amazing. It doesn't need to cook more because it's going to be a little bit tough. We don't need that. Well, it's time to add our coconut cream with water. And I'm adding hot water. Now it's time to add our coriander. This soup is super yummy. If you give me for each day of the week, I can eat, and also this is healthy. I mix it again. Smells amazing. Our soup is ready. Dikkilik dikkiliku.